Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your MG Skin Tool password. First, open the MG Skin Tool application on your device. Look for an option like Get Password or How to Get Password and tap on it. This action will typically redirect you to a web page outside the application. This page will guide you through a series of steps to reveal your password, often involving short waits or interactions. Once on the external web page, you'll encounter various instructions. Many steps involve waiting for a timer to count down, which could be anywhere from 10 to 40 seconds. You might also be asked to click on specific banners or advertisements to unlock the next stage. After each waiting period or click, scroll down the page to locate and tap on a Continue or Get Link button to advance. Upon successfully navigating through all the required steps and timers, a final link will become available. Clicking this link usually directs you to a file-sharing service, such as Mediafire. On this page, you will find an image. The crucial password for your MG Skin Tool is embedded or clearly displayed within this image. Carefully note the password before returning to the application. Once you have your password, return to the MG Skin Tool application. Enter the password carefully into the login field to access your account. Remember, it's vital to use strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts to maintain security. A password manager can help you keep track of complex passwords easily. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.